Cooked-based viral sounds on TikTok started with Let Him Cook in 2020, which, according to KnowYourMeme.com, is a call out to give someone space to plot, strategize, or otherwise hone their craft. But another phrase is advancing the cooked genre on TikTok with this viral sound.
Someone cooked here.
The sound is furthering the definition of what cooked means by using it to illustrate green flags or surprising behaviors. And the sound comes from Breaking Bad Season 4, Episode 11, when Walter White realizes that someone has been cooking meth in the lab without him. Spoiler alert, it was Jesse.